John. Oh, my sugar. You got something to say today? You got something to say? Got that tiny voice for such a big boy. You got a little tiny voice for such a big boy. Oh my goodness, you're so handsome. And look at those feet. Look at those feet. Good boy. Is that so? I see your baby teeth are coming in. Yes, I do. I see your baby teeth are coming in. Oh my goodness. Oh. Let's see your osalis on the back of your ear. Oh, look at those. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Little Little John. There's nothing little about him, huh? There's nothing little about you. Nope, you big boy. Whoops. Whoops. Did you go down? Here, put your paws up here. Oh, look at you. Getting so big. Getting so big already.